Hello everyone, my name is Avinash Dodi and today we will talk about KGF movie and all is so in this movie like action, love and caring scenes. So today we will explain this full movie in short time. So let's start with the name of movie. Movie's name is KGF. KGF means Kolar Goldfield. The movie begins 1981 times it saw her. The Prime Minister of India signed the death warrant of the man, saying that it is a very dangerous criminal and no one should know about it, whose name is Rocky. After this, we are so a time of 2018. Her famous journalist Anand Ingalgi published a book in which he so ab- writes about Rocky's entire life, and the government banned that books and all copies of it are burned. The last the last copy of that book was sold somehow failed by the new news channels. They interviews Anand Ingalgi of the channels to know how much truth is there in their book. The name of that book is El Dorado, which means lost lost gold. Let let's start telling the story of that book of Anand Ingalgi on book. It is a matter that during the digging of a well in Karnataka's Kolar district of 1951, farmers get stoned. Then some government officers come to investigate in that place. Along with them, Suryavardhan. Same place is a resident, a powerful man when it was confirmed that the stone were of gold. Suryavardhan killed all the government officers so that the news would not go out. The day a child was born in a nearby village on the day the incident occurred is going to be the main hero of we which we will talk about this further. Due to the removal of gold in Kolar make that place is called Kolar Gold Field, and this is a real place in Karnataka where gold mining used to take place, but for some reason now are closed. That it is a real place, but the movie story is not a real. It is just a story. Suryavardhan leased that place from the government for 1990 year, and he formed a company named Narachi. There and there so there and so everyone that is a landstone mine. Suryavardhan many people used to force mining in Narachi. To manage this company, they made five partners: is Kamal, Andrews, Gaurav Pandian, and Suryavardhan's brothers Adhira. The remaining four partners used to manage the business outside KGF, staying in another city. Their gold mining business was running in a full swing, but in 1978, Suryavardhan got heart attacked. After his health deteriorated, all the partners of the company started thinking of capturing the business. In the event of his disease, Suryavardhan made his son Garuda the owner of this company. But this was not liked by Suryavardhan's brothers, and Adhira tried to kill him, but he could not succeed. But Garuda managed to kill Adhira. Now let's talk about Rocky's. Rocky's real name was Raja Krishnappa Beira. His His mother was a widow and poor woman. When Raja was 10 years old, his mother died of illness. But before dying, he took a promise from his son. He will have to grow up to become a very powerful and rich man so that he can live well himself and help others as well. Raja went to Mumbai to fulfill this promise and he named his new name Rocky. Won the won the heart of Don Setti with his courage and he started working for him. Slowly, Rocky's become a very strong and special man of Don Setti. Garuda decided after performing the last rites of the fathers that after Kali Puja, Garuda used to sacrifice three goats in every year's puja, but this time he was sacrificed three humans instead of God. People were his enemy, kept in a special room. When Garuda leaves for worship, Rocky sneaks up to the room where the three people were kept, and one of them kill one of his men. Take a place take a place. Then thus three people are brought to worship. In this puja, all the Garudas of displeasure were working 20,000 people. Garuda starts the puja and sacrifice to people, but when it comes to the other Rockies kill Garuda in front of the thousand of people, taking Garuda's sword out of Rose grip and cut his throat. It is a small story of KGF story. Thank you for listening me. Thank you everyone.